Understanding the basics of finance is essential for making informed decisions about your money. These foundational concepts help you navigate everyday financial choices, from budgeting and saving to investing and borrowing. By grasping the core principles, you set yourself up for greater financial stability and confidence. Building this knowledge early on can make a significant difference in achieving your long-term goals and avoiding common pitfalls. Understanding key financial terms is essential for building a strong foundation in financial literacy. Income refers to the money you receive, whether from a job, investments, or other sources. Expenses are the costs you incur for goods and services, such as rent, groceries, or transportation. Assets are items of value that you own, like cash, property, or stocks. Liabilities, on the other hand, are debts or obligations you owe to others, such as loans or credit card balances. Budgeting is a fundamental tool for managing personal finances effectively. By creating a budget, individuals can clearly see where their money is coming from and how it is being spent. This process helps identify spending patterns, prioritize essential expenses, and set realistic financial goals. With a well-structured budget, it becomes much easier to track progress, avoid unnecessary debt, and make informed decisions about saving and investing. Ultimately, budgeting provides greater control and peace of mind over one's financial future. Understanding the difference between needs and wants is essential for making sound financial decisions. Needs are the basic essentials required for daily living, such as food, shelter, and clothing. Wants, on the other hand, are items or experiences that enhance our lives but are not necessary for survival. By clearly distinguishing between the two, individuals can prioritize their spending, ensuring that essential expenses are covered before allocating money to discretionary purchases. This approach helps build a more stable financial foundation and supports long-term financial goals. Saving money is a crucial part of financial well-being. By setting aside funds regularly, you can prepare for unexpected emergencies, such as medical expenses or car repairs, without disrupting your daily life. Establishing clear savings goals also helps you work toward future milestones, like buying a home, funding education, or planning for retirement. Developing consistent saving habits not only provides peace of mind, but also empowers you to make choices that align with your long-term aspirations. Debt is money that is borrowed with the agreement to pay it back, usually with added interest. There are various types of debt, such as credit card balances, student loans, mortgages, and personal loans. Interest is the cost of borrowing money, calculated as a percentage of the amount owed, and it can significantly increase the total amount you repay over time. While borrowing can help you achieve important goals, it also comes with risks, including the possibility of accumulating more debt than you can manage. Understanding how debt and interest work is essential for making informed financial decisions. Credit scores are numerical representations of a person's credit worthiness, typically ranging from 300 to 850. They are calculated based on several factors, including payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and types of credit used. Lenders use these scores to assess the risk of lending money or extending credit. Maintaining a good credit score is important because it can influence your ability to secure loans, obtain favorable interest rates, and even impact rental or job applications. Responsible credit management helps ensure financial opportunities and stability. Managing your bank accounts effectively starts with understanding the different types available, such as checking and savings accounts. Checking accounts are ideal for everyday transactions, while savings accounts help you set aside money for future needs and often earn interest. It's important to review your account statements regularly to monitor your spending and spot any unauthorized charges. Be aware of potential fees, including monthly maintenance charges, overdraft fees, and ATM usage costs, as these can add up over time. By staying informed and choosing accounts that fit your financial habits, you can make the most of your banking experience. Tracking your spending is a crucial step toward managing your finances effectively. You can use a variety of tools, such as budgeting apps that automatically categorize your expenses or spreadsheets that allow for more personalized tracking. For those who prefer a hands-on approach, maintaining a manual ledger or using a notebook can also be effective. The key is to consistently record your purchases and review your spending patterns regularly. By staying organized and monitoring where your money goes, you can make informed decisions and stay on top of your financial goals. Setting clear financial goals plays a crucial role in shaping positive money habits. By identifying what you want to achieve, whether it's saving for a vacation or planning for retirement, you create a sense of purpose for your financial decisions. These goals help guide daily spending and saving choices, making it easier to stay disciplined. Planning for both short-term and long-term needs ensures you are prepared for immediate expenses while also building a secure future. Ultimately, financial goals provide direction and motivation, turning aspirations into achievable milestones. Insurance serves as a financial safety net, helping individuals and families manage the risks of unexpected events. By paying a relatively small premium, you can protect yourself from potentially large expenses caused by accidents, illnesses, or property damage. This protection not only offers peace of mind, but also ensures that you are better prepared to handle unforeseen challenges. Understanding how insurance works is an important step in safeguarding your financial well-being. Investing is a powerful way to grow your money over time. By putting your funds into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, you allow your wealth to benefit from the effects of compounding returns. Starting early is especially important as it gives your investments more time to increase in value and recover from market fluctuations. Even small, consistent contributions can lead to significant growth in the long run. Understanding these principles can help set the foundation for a more secure financial future. When starting your financial journey, it's easy to fall into common traps like overspending, neglecting to budget, or accumulating unnecessary debt. Many people also overlook the importance of saving early, even if it's just a small amount each month. To build healthy financial habits, begin by tracking your expenses and setting realistic financial goals. Establishing an emergency fund and making a habit of reviewing your finances regularly can help you stay on course. By being mindful of these pitfalls and proactive in your approach, you set a strong foundation for long-term financial well-being. In summary, understanding key financial concepts like budgeting, saving, and managing debt lays a solid foundation for your financial well-being. By applying these basics, you can make informed decisions and set realistic goals for your future. Remember, building financial confidence is a journey that begins with small, consistent steps. Start today, and over time, you'll see the positive impact on your life and peace of mind.